A wise master once told me, you don't win at the draft. You build your foundation. You win during the season. But now that master is my foe. I know I cannot win by relying solely on the wisdom of mortal men. It has to be deeper than that. If you listen closely, the mountains grumble tales of keepers and sleepers. The wind and the snow scream about who to trade. The trees whisper who to pick up and grow off the waiver wire. And the warmth of the fire cackles who to start. Touchdowns are coming.